because they've been dealing with like all kinds of sweat and stuff. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is the Kiranda Show. This is the first time here. I am a millennial mom who is just really honest about what life is really like. It is Saturday. I am in PJs. I haven't done a thing today, but it's my cleaning day. So, 1 second, I gotta let my dog out because she's crying. Sit. Good girl. All right, let's go. Okay, run free. Bye-bye. Okay, go. Bye. Bye. I'm not sure why she's not going and playing. Did you want... Oh my god. Do you want to come back inside? Or do you want to play? What do you want to do? Okay. Sit. You gotta sit. You're pulling too hard. There you go. Good girl. Okay, come on in, I guess. Okay. Once again, not really sure what that was all about, but so today we're going to clean out my fridge. I'm a little nervous about it, not gonna lie, because my fridge is a disaster. I used to be like super organized. I would deep clean my fridge like every 2 weeks, but honestly, it's just tiring. And it used to be I was the only one who would go in the fridge, but then my kids got older and now they start going in the fridge and they don't put things back. And if they do, listen, you probably know what I'm talking about or how I feel. So we're gonna time lapse this so you can just kind of see the process. If you have any tips or tricks, please drop them in the comments below. Let's get going. All right, so let me show you what we're working with here. Ooh. So much mess, so much gunk. It's just a mess in here. And that's Nola. Guys, and that is my clean my kitchen. I hope that was interesting. And again, if you have any tips, tricks, things that you do that kind of just makes this a lot easier, or critiques for me, definitely drop them down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of the random everyday things that a typical millennial mom gets up to. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.